Hey everyone, welcome to Tech TV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a location in Google Maps. If you want to add a missing place to Google Maps, then it's quite simple. Simply follow the instructions till the end of the video, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tapping open your Google Maps application from the app drawer, and once you are logged in, you'll be able to see your Explore page selected at the bottom left. To add a missing place or simply add a location, tap the Contribute button at the bottom right and click on Add Place option on the next page. Enter the place's name in the first text box that you'd like to add from the missing map. Let me just enter random things in the text box just to show it to you. On the next field, select Category and select the popular category that you'd like to add. Enter the address, or you can also tap on the GPS option. And now tap on Edit Map Location in order to find the location. Soon after you do that, go click OK at the top right. Add more details, that is your phone number, your opening hours, your website, or your photos to help Google verify this place. Once you are done entering all of these informations, you can also add photos by tapping on Add Photos. The photo may include the front part of your shop or the place you are trying to add, notices, or signs. Finally, tap Submit, and you'll be able to add a place on Google Map. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.